we have another highly anticipated Hindi film trailer, not really trailer, sorry, मेरी गलती है, first look of this film. तो इस फिल्म का नाम है धुरंधर and it is रणवीर सिंह, touted as रणवीर सिंह's big comeback. वो तो हम देखेंगे first look देखने के बाद, almost 2.5 मिनट का वीडियो है. So a lot of hopes have been pinned on this because apparently Ranveer went into this whole transformation, this and that, and Aditya Dhar iske director hai. So, and it's a multi-starrer film. It's not just that Ranveer is there, but we have Sanjay Dutt, we have R. Madhavan, I think we have Akshay Khanna as well. I think that's what I remember when the cast was announced, jab ye movie announced hui thi us time. So this is releasing on 5th December. तो राजा साहब का direct clash होगा इस मूवी के साथ. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this teaser. Sorry, first look right away.
बहुत साल पहले किसी ने मुझसे कहा था,
ये तो माधवन की आवाज है.
रूस में रहते हैं, पूरे भर का जोर लगा लो, बिगाड़ लो जो बिगाड़ सकते हो. बिगाड़ने का वक्त आ गया है.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh, true events.
was not
Oh.
ready for this.
तो खिलजी टाइप लग रहा है बिल्कुल. He's like an agent or something. Yeah.
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I'm far from a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a good thing. Mama said
Yeah.
swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and make the heads rail. Father, forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history.
Oh, he looks amazing. Wow.
Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
That's Madhavan, right? 1 minute. Oh wow. Akshay Khanna. Oh, look at Arjun Rampal.
इसलिए घातक हूं.
Oh, nice. Damn. Ooh, Arjun Rampal's looking so sick. So that did hype me up. Wow. This is the Ranveer Singh that we need. I mean, this is, yeah, total tabahi. This is what Ranveer Singh is made of. Such an incredible actor. जो मतलब बाकी सारी चीज़ों में ना उनकी एक्टिंग का जो एक्चुअल टैलेंट है ना वो पीछे चला गया है. एंड दिस इज अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ व्हेन वी स्टॉप दिस. आई रिमेंबर द टाइम जब रणवीर सिंह की जो बैक टू बैक ब्लॉकबस्टर्स जब आ रही थी, चाहे वो रामलीला आप ले लो, then you take Bajirao Mastani, you take Padmavat, everybody was going gaga over his acting chops. And I think he has proved time and again that he really is a very capable actor जब आप उनको एक capable director के हाथों में देते हो. And उसके बाद obviously जो बाद में उन्होंने मूवीज की जैसे सर्कस हो गया, then one more film I think with YRF, I forget the name, where he was playing this Gujarati guy, but I actually enjoyed that film. उतनी खराब मूवी थी नहीं वो. जयेश भाई जोरदार ऐसा कुछ नाम था. And then obviously because of he's so outgoing, because of his style and कपड़े जैसे वो पहनते थे, all of these actually took a front seat कि यार ये तो जोकर है. मतलब लिटरली रणवीर सिंह को एक जोकर का टैग मिल गया था. एंड people very, very conveniently forgot that he's actually a very good actor. I think today or yesterday he wiped out his Instagram, सब कुछ उसने delete कर दिया and this and that, which is like, you know, he's cleaning his slate and he's starting fresh, which is great. I think बहुत ही अच्छा decision है. बट वही चीज़ है ना कि लोगों को ना बुरी चीज़ें ना ज़्यादा याद रहती है. आप लाख अच्छाई कर लो और एक बुराई करो, you will be remembered for the wrongdoing that you did. Not that I'm saying Ranveer being so outgoing and actually, you know, showing himself as very flashy and this and that is a wrong thing, मैं वो नहीं बोल रही, but उसका एक negative perception बन गया था. And then he completely like took a break, he went off the radar, now he's deleted all his posts on Instagram. I think those are the correct steps maybe to kind of rebuild your image. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि रणवीर should hire अपनी बीवी का ही PR, because Deepika's PR is like very active and they do a really great job जहाँ तक PR की बात होती है. So that's beside the point, but this first look actually reminded me of the capability of this actor, this guy. मुझे तो कोई भी एक चीज़ नहीं लगी इसमें कि जहाँ पे वो खराब दिख रहे हो, जहाँ पे वो कैरेक्टर से ऑफ दिख रहे हो. Nothing. I find him amazing in this entire first look. He looks great. He has the physique, he has the persona, you can see that he has dedicated himself to the role. Along with the other people जिनका character introduction यहाँ पे, if you see Akshay Khanna, R Madhavan, completely unrecognizable. Then you see Arjun Rampa's look is just to die for. He has such a badass look. Then, you know, everybody is looking great, but focus यहाँ पे obviously is on Ranveer because he's the protagonist here. And I think, yes, this is what people probably had forgotten, and this is a reminder. This first glimpse looked amazing. जो गाना यूज हुआ, very dynamic. This makes the whole first look very, very great to watch actually. कि एक्शन भी है, जिस तरह से उसको एडिट किया गया है, जिस तरह से सारे फ्रेम्स मूव हो रहे हैं अलग अलग जगहों पे. यू सी कहीं पे उसके लंबे बाल है, फिर छोटे बाल रहते हैं. ऑल ऑफ दोज लुक्स he's serving that face card is working. And थोड़ा मुझे obviously खिलजी जो लंबे बाल वाला लुक है, it kind of reminds me of Khilji's look, and we know how good he was in that kind of badass role. So I think मुझे कोई डाउट नहीं है एक्चुअली कि he would act well. Like that, you know, people, if you are thinking that अरे यार ये रोल निभा पाएगा कि नहीं, if there is such kind of a doubt, I don't have those doubts at all, because I know he's a very capable actor. Only thing is, I just really, really hope that all of us collectively, when we go and watch this film, it turns out great. Obviously आदित्य धर है तो मुझे थोड़ी तो उम्मीद है, and because he has proven himself कि वो action genre कैसे दिखा सकते हैं, किस तरह से portray कर सकते हैं, very high octane, very energetic, and उरी में उन्होंने वो prove किया था. So let's see. So a lot of positives going on, and then you have such a beautiful cast who are so freaking capable, and all of them are looking just so good in their respective roles, I feel. तो मुझे तो first glimpse बहुत अच्छा लगा. I love the music that they have used. Ranveer looks sick, and I hope this becomes a huge comeback for him in the industry. For that only, I'm very excited. I really want to see him in a really good role, because I know that the guy can act, and he can dedicate himself that way. So let's hope that this movie turns out to be that. Those are my thoughts. Let me know what are your thoughts. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा एकदम धुरंधर का जो first look है. Very, very enjoyable. But I want to know what are your thoughts in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here. And I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.